Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Ouch! JAZOMY. For today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be working in another area of our home. Now we're going to move to our son's bedroom.
So what we're planning in our son's bedroom is that he's now bigger than when we built the house. We're gonna change his bed, and also we're gonna be changing his bedroom theme. Now, since he likes a lot of engineering stuff, being creative, like constructions, we're gonna do a makeover with an industrial look.
Yes, so he loves all of that stuff. So we're not gonna do like the whole room makeover. The mainly area that we're going to work is like on
his play area.
Play slash desk slash, I don't know.
Yeah.
One side of the room. Let's jump right into, let's clean the room, change the bed, and start mounting everything that we bought.
We wanted to change this bed for a long time ago, but we didn't want to throw it away. We wanted to donate it to somebody who really needed it. So my father just called me right now that he finds somebody who can use this bed right now, and he's coming in 10 minutes, and we need to unmount it really fast. So my dad took the bed already, and we are just gonna use these for now. The bedroom is gonna look bigger and more comfortable for a kid, so that's why we wanted to change it, because the other bed was super big, like really bulky.
Yes.
And here is just basically the box and the mattress, and that's it.
It doesn't have like a headboard, but we can DIY one in the future. This is just for now. So try to make a few changes so the room can look a little bit bigger for now. Ay, sí se ve en el grande. Wow. Wow.
What a huge difference. Oh my god.
In space? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, the other problem is this big mess that my son have. He loves to do DIY crafts and work a lot with cardboard and hot glue and everything. He's obsessed with Titanic and cruise ships and things like that. And he loves to do so many stuff, but he don't like to clean it, obviously. So this is the mess that he have, because it's a dog cage and nightstand. My plan is to put it like here, close to the bed, and then in this area we can do like the whole makeover, like a desk and everything. Let's see, let's try to clean this a little bit and move it there to have everything clean here.
This is the desk that we bought, and it is basically the cheapest and the smallest one that we find. And since our son's bedroom is not a big bedroom, I think it will work perfect for it. So here's another addition to the bedroom. We bought this 6-cube organizer. This is for our son's toys. Right now he's putting his toys inside his closet, but now he's gonna have a place to put them in.
Okay guys, so we are at Home Depot because we are going to do some shelves on my son's bedroom. So like the theme and the style that we are looking for those shelves and like for the whole room is like very industrial. So what I was planning was to use these, I don't know the name of it, industrial pipe shelf brackets, and they sell them on Home Depot, but they're $10 each. I don't know if we can DIY these and it can be a little bit cheaper than that because I need 4, so that's gonna be more than $40. I wanted to do it on a budget, so let me check. Plan 2 was to
do it ourselves, but this is $10.
the whole piece.
The whole piece, and this is 12 something.
Just that part.
Yeah, it's just because this is basically decorative stuff, like for decoration purposes, and this is real. So that's why this is more expensive.
So yeah.
Let's buy in $10.
The other option was to get them from Amazon, but the problem that we have is that if we order that, it's gonna be here in like a week or something like that, and we need them now because we need to make that project tomorrow so you guys can have a video. So I think we're gonna get them $10. Because on Amazon they are so much cheaper. I'm not sure about the material that Amazon sells, but I mean it's a cheaper option.
The cap itself is almost $4. The pipe is like $12, and also the base will be like $15.
It's gonna be
so it's
like
gonna be
more
like
than $20.
Like $30 each. So
Nah.
let's do it for 10.
Yes.
These are the piece of wood that we're gonna use for the shelf. We're gonna cut them at 35 inches. And just for you to know, these are leftover pieces too. Just in case if you're wondering, I'm using a bag because we run out of gloves. So I'm using a Shiplap bag. I'm gonna start mounting the shelf here. I already did the measurements, so let's get into it.
Okay, so we decided to make like a small rack to put on the other side of the, like on the other wall that we have. We're going to be using a small piece of wood and to, shut up, and to be able to hang some stuff. He can maybe hang like the backpack, clothes or things like that. I'm going to be using these universal hooks. They are from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint them black, but I think they look pretty good. They give me like this industrial vibe too. So I'm going to paint them black to make everything match really well. And I'm going to use spray paint. So let's do that.
So this is the piece of wood that we're gonna use for our rack. We decided to paint it in black because when we stain it with the special walnut, it looks very different than the rest of the other woods because it was pretty old. So we decided to paint it in black color.
Okay, so Omi already put the rack here, and I think something that can make it look a little bit more like industrial is to add some numbers I was looking on Pinterest and things like that, and most of the things for like kids' bedroom have like a number. So I use my Cricut and I make, shut up, and I make this. It's just number 1, and I have number 2 and number 3 with my Cricut, and I think if I add those here, can look pretty nice. So that's what I'm going to do. I think I look good. Okay, so for these, I got some cube organizers. I got them from Amazon because they are way cheaper than maybe get them from IKEA. Mosquito. Oh my god. So I got them from Amazon, so much cheaper. I got them in this gray color. Let me see. I love it, but I seriously now think that this could be so much better. Maybe beige color or cream color was a better idea to make them match with the shelves on top. Anyways, I'm going to add them because yeah. But yeah, and I got 6. Okay, so I have a small problem here. I got these cubes organizers in this color. I have no idea what I was thinking. I thought it would be a little bit more like beige. I don't know. But they're very, very, very great. And everything like on the top, on the shelves and everything, it's like the wood texture. It doesn't match. So what I'm gonna try is to add a little bit of that beige color or cream on the cube organizers. So I thought it could be cool if I use this ribbon that I have from Christmas. It's the only thing that I have. Cut a small piece and add that to this handle. It's the same width and everything. I just have to cut it the same length. I already did one. I mean, it doesn't look bad, and I like it. I mean, it's a small touch just to add that color on this area. So that's what I'm going to do. I cut the small pieces, and I'm going to glue them there. And once I'm done, if I don't like it, I'm just going to put this other side, and that's it. Ven aquí.
like it?
Yeah. Check on me,
We have reached the end of this video, and I think this project turned out amazing.
Amazing.
Look at that. It is just what we expected.
Yeah.
Change it from a small kid or baby to a bigger kid.
Ooh, no, why?
Yeah, and he loved it. He loved it.
He really like it. I think it looks pretty good. This is the decoration that I choose. Of course, he's going to be adding he's gonna be adding some of his own touches, like probably this is going to I don't know, maybe glue or something.
Yeah, something like that.
This pegboard probably is gonna be full of Titanics. He already had that
shapes or designs.
Yeah,
I don't know.
and everything. And it looks pretty clean right now, but it's gonna look very messy in a few hours.
A few minutes.
Oh my god. But this is how it turned out. We hope that you like it, that you enjoyed today's video, that you can take some inspiration of how you can do things on a budget.
So remember to follow us on our social media pages, our webpage, JAZOMY.com,
Yes.
all the links in the description box of this video and every single video. And see you in the next one.
Bye guys!
Bye.